Hey y'all, welcome to Sweet Tea and Butterflies. Today we're working on a custom order for a friend of ours. It's a fall farm truck full of little pumpkins. We hope you enjoy. She had let me know that she wanted like a darker red, more of a barn red on this truck. And for some reason I couldn't find my barn red. So I had to get creative and mix some paints up, get the right color. I think I used a red, and then I think that one was a copper, a metallic copper, because we wanted that little sheen in there. Like a lot of, trucks or cars, the paint has like a little bit of a sheen in it. So it's what we were going for here. So I think I finally got the color just right on there. Taking and trying to be very careful as I'm painting not to get in the little slats on the back of the truck with the red paint, because I'm going to do those with the Waverly Antique Wax. Just go around, and when I'm painting one of these trucks that have like the double sides like this, I make sure I paint both the inside and the outside. So because there are certain points when it's sitting that, if you look, you can see. So I want to make sure that I've got everything where, it looks cohesive and complete, not like I just stopped in the middle of a project. And here, it's sometimes I found that I was having a hard time painting and keeping it the shape of the wheels and stuff. So I take a little mechanical pencil and I'll mark it around there so that I kind of have a line to go by. It's so much easier for me to follow lines than it is to just freely paint. I'll end up messing up for sure if I just freely paint it and not put some lines in there to guide me. I did the same thing with the bumpers. I drew in with a pencil so that I had guidelines there too. I don't believe I made you watch me paint the entire truck. I think I've kind of edited this where you see me paint some of, each parts of it rather than the entire truck. But you can see here that it's a nice darker red, and that's what she wanted. And if you like what you see here, we would really love it if you would like and subscribe and share and comment. When you subscribe, hit that notification bell and select the all notifications so you get notified each time we upload a new video. We really, really enjoy having your support. We love y'all that are supporting us. It helps, our business and our page grow. So thank you. To those of you that have already subscribed, thank you. Here you can see where I'm painting the inside of the truck, so that when it's standing up, if you see through at a certain angle, it all looks cohesive. we did, I did this video when we were on one of our crafting weekends, and we just, we just decided that we were going to try to start doing some YouTube videos and whatnot. So I thought, well, while we're crafting, I'm just going to put the camera up and just have it record everything that we're doing. I have a few of the projects that we did. My phone kept shutting off, so I missed some footage of some of the things. But, you know, we're just starting out, so it's a learning curve, and I'll try to get better as we go, making videos moving forward. I'll try to get better about showing, you know, each of the paints that we've used and whatnot, so you can see what we've got, what we've used, and the supplies that we've used. This was just a, hey, we're here to craft and get some stuff done, and we just sat down and started crafting. A lot of the times we didn't know exactly what we were going to craft when we sat down. We would grab a couple pieces of this, that, or the other thing, and you know, and just get inspired as we went along. So I didn't think about showing, you know, we used this and we got, you know, this piece or that piece or this paint. I'm working on getting better about that. And as you can see here, I'm painting the tires, and I got a much better shape of the tire up around where the truck meets the tire by drawing those lines in there to guide me. I wasn't as worried about getting the red paint on the tires as I was about not getting the shape of the tire right. And here I'm painting the running board and the bumpers with silver. And I don't recall whether I did like a gray first, because I know that the silver that we have is kind of translucent. So I'm not sure. I don't recall if I had painted with gray first and then went over with the metallic paint. And here's where I use the Waverly Antique Wax to do the slats on the back of the truck there. That's probably the only paint in this video that I know right off the top of my head what I used. We would love it if you would follow us on our social media pages as well. We're on Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. So please go look us up and follow us there too. That's where we post a lot of when we're having sales or promotions, that kind of stuff. We also have on our website, we have a group chat for crafters and you know, creatives, where you can join up to be a member and interact with other like-minded crafters and creators. So we would love it if you would go check that out as well. So we have like several color changing paints that are they're translucent, but they've got iridescent elements in them. And as you could see there when I was showing the truck, I put a coat of that over the top to give it a really nice sheen and shimmer to it. Because I want to stuff pumpkins in the back of this truck, I needed to put something to set them on, because as you can see, it's pretty much hollow except for the two support pieces there. So I took one of the, I think it was a jumbo or a large craft stick, cut it down to fit, and here I'm trying to figure out, because those two support pieces are at different levels, so I was trying to figure out how to make that work here. And I think I ended up taking and putting this tumbling tower block or something in there to kind of support it where it sat straight instead of tilting down. This is where I think I'm trying to figure out. Oh no, I took the end of one of those that I cut off and stood it up there. That's what I did, so that I could keep it balanced and straight instead of tilting downward. I used some Spanish moss on there before putting the pumpkins in, so it looked like they were kind of sitting in there with some straw or something, something besides just sitting them on that plain wood. The moss helps cover up so that if you see between the pumpkins. Now I'm playing with how I want to put the pumpkins in there, and I think I'm trying to decide which pumpkins I want to use too, because we have a bunch of different pumpkins. But these are some of the little sweater type pumpkins, or one of them is, and then the others are the buffalo check or gingham. I think that one's buffalo check. I've got in orange and black. So I think I put a black one, an orange one, and then the sweater pumpkin that's a solid orange. I think I was trying to figure out whether I could squeeze one of those in the in-betweens. Decided that no, I didn't like it. I glued all the pumpkins in place. I think I was still trying to see if I could fit one of those other pumpkins in there. Just cut the stem, but I didn't like the way it sat in there. It was still too big. If I'd have had some even smaller ones, I think it might have been okay. I decided to just leave it like it is with those three. But thank you so much for watching, and we hope that you'll like, share, subscribe, comment, all of that good stuff, and come follow us on our social medias, and check out our website. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.